first off, I start with this, and I use this to but when it's I just put up to 7, yeah, and then let it in like that. And you know boys have eyelashes, right? And then I do this. I don't know who created it for this style, so I'm not gonna credit anybody. Oh my god, bro. Okay. So I use this thing to. If you don't know, I don't know why it looks like that, so don't ask, please. And before I say, boys don't have eyelashes. Before y'all say, okay, boys don't have eyelashes. Yeah, they do. Like, who in their right mind said, we boys don't have eyelashes? Yeah, yes, they do. They do have eyelashes. Anyways, it's just not long ones because I just made a long one. Ta-da! And oops. Ta-da! I need to stick. There you go. Actually, no, that looks a little bad. There you go. And you're off. And we also put this black. Don't ask why, just know why. Just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Oh. And well, it's kind of annoying. And it sounds okay. And now I'm going to use the same thing I did with the, hold on, wait, no, I'm going to hit up a layer and do this, it's kind of like smiley face though. Now lower the opacity, and there you go. I'm going to put it. Now I put this like this. Voila. Okay. I just put a little light on it and ta-da! Okay. I really just did that. Come on. Ta-da! Ta-da! But we're not finished yet. We have to put up. But we're not finished yet. We need to put this. Oh, so this is going a little too long. It's going to. Ta-da! And now I had to do this fast because, you know. And you have to do this, and voila. Actually, no. I'm gonna put the nose stuff too. I'm gonna finish this off with the. Oh my god, bro, you're gonna waste my time. Oops. There you go. And now you use the ink pen, and now you use and now use the same tool and ta-da! That's how I do boy eyes. And anyways, that's all 5 stars. Hold on, let me just do this.